Hi, welcome back to the online short-term course on artificial intelligence in education. My name is Surekha and I am an assistant professor working with MESS Pillai College of Education and Research, Chembur. Today, we are here to understand the place of AI in an educational setting. AI, or intelligence, refers to the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks could include learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural language, and perception. AI has become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, simplifying tasks and enhancing various aspects of our routines. For example, voice assistants like Siri in Apple, Google Assistants, Alexa in Amazon help with our day to day tasks like setting reminders, sending messages, answering questions, and controlling our home devices. Netflix recommendations and Amazon product recommendations, where AI algorithm analyze our preferences and our behavior, suggest movies, TV shows, products, or services tailored to our interests and our needs. Even Google Map provides real-time traffic updates, suggests the fastest routes, and offer alternative paths based on the current situations. Even our Gmail has a new feature that is called as a smart compose and smart reply. Google Translate, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter algorithms, AI based fraud detection systems, fitness trackers, health monitoring apps, all these things that we use on daily basis are all based on AI. AI has the potential to work effectively in an education setting as well, offering numerous opportunities to enhance teaching and learning processes. As teachers, our jobs have evolved with the advancement of technology. It's natural to feel a bit unsure about powerful tools like AI, but we need to expose students to these changing technologies to prepare them for the future. AI tools not only boost creativity and efficiency, but also offer valuable insights into how students learn. They can help with tasks that take up a lot of time of our time as educators. Let's look at simple AI tools that we as teachers can use to make our teaching efficient, effective, interesting, and collaborative. The first site that we are going to check today is AudioPen. AudioPen AI acts as a personal assistant that records and summarizes your thoughts. It is particularly useful for people who like to think out loud. So you go on Google, you type AudioPen and click on the first link that you get. So this is where AudioPen takes us. So like you see, I can give you a demo. So this is useful for teachers when they want to add their thoughts and examples to their notes, but are not very fast with typing, or even for students who would like to record their random thoughts and convert them into a script. AudioPen is more than a voice transcription service. Besides transcribing your voice notes, it also rewrites it in a clear, structured text. This lets you ramble and record an unstructured voice note and get a clearly written, ready to share piece of text at the end of it. Many a times it so happens that we just have random thoughts in our mind that we know that what needs to be written down or made to it needs to be noted down. So you can just go onto AudioPen and record, and then this will do your job. So, like you saw me saying some things, and I was recording that on AudioPen. So, if you see AudioPen Effortless Writing Aid, so this has given it a title as well. And along with that, it has recorded everything that I said. Teachers and students can use AudioPen to help them out with writing. If they have a hard time typing fast or just want to save their thoughts, this is the perfect tool. So this is not how I had said it, but it has summarized it and made it more efficient to use it wherever you want. This is how you use the AudioPen application. Moving on to the next one. The next one is ChatGPT. There has been quite an argument saying ChatGPT has made many students lazy and deceivers with their assignments and projects. They also say that ChatGPT will replace teachers. But you know what? Embracing these technical advancements for our benefits is just going to make our work simpler and more efficient. We teachers have too many things to handle other than teaching. If one of us is not a writer, ChatGPT can be a friend. ChatGPT can be used as a search engine where you can find in depth answers to questions and doubts in seconds. English teachers can use ChatGPT to get unseen passages on any topics with a set of questions to ask the students. ChatGPT can also be used to learn or teach vocabulary. You can use it to write letters, correspondence, or as it will do your work in seconds. You do not have to depend on anyone else to do it for you. Now, this is how your ChatGPT screen looks like. You can create math problems, make question papers, get basic lesson plans, get ideas to make your lesson more interesting, ask for suggestions or advice on your own work, and even correct your own work. If you have any grammatical errors that you feel that might be there in your write up work, you can just ChatGPT to correct it for you. Let's try a simple sum. Let me just give ChatGPT a task. Let's see how this works. You see, it has given me 5 problems, some word problems, which I can make the students, I can give them my students to solve in the class or as homework. So it makes my work so simple. I do not have to rely completely on the textbooks where the students know the answers or they know how this is to be solved. I can just get more creative questions that I can ask the students. Now you will find certain terms like dollars and some other things, but you can always go back and on the edit and you can write for Indian students. Then the currency also changes. So this is how ChatGPT works. You might feel that maybe ChatGPT can be used by the students to, copy their assignments. Yes, the students might use it, but teachers, do not stop your students from using AI for their assessments. Instead, teach them how to use it ethically. Make them understand when it is okay to use ChatGPT and when it is not. So the next that we are going to study today is about EduAid. EduAid AI is a comprehensive tool for teachers that assist you with lesson planning, routine tasks, and generate new ideas, making our teaching more efficient and effective. AI powered tools like EduAid have the potential to speed up the process of lesson planning and material creation for teachers, allowing them to focus more on the teaching and less on the planning or the thinking part of it. Though it can make teachers very dependent on it for everything. Hence, we need to use it in limits. So this is how your EduAid site looks like. Suppose if you need to take a lesson for science, take a lesson in science for grade maybe 5 students on, and you want to do some cooperative learning you want to try the cooperative learning strategy, and the topic for your teaching is maybe disaster management. You add your topic here, you add the subject here, the grade here, the kind of lesson that you're planning to take, the strategy, and the games or the model or the other the detailed strategies that you want to use. Suppose I want to use a jigsaw activity and or a team based activity, and with disaster management I just go and I click on to add to workspace. Now this will do my work very simple. So if you see, it has given me an activity. So, team based activity, disaster management, there are roles: team leader, researcher, planner, presenter. Instructions for each role: team leader, ensure effective communication with the team, assign tasks to team members, keep track of progress and deadlines. The researcher will gather information about various types of disasters. The planner will analyze the data. So basically, if you see all these roles that they have given, they have also said how you can conduct the activity, so this makes your planning part less and your execution part more efficient. So this is how you can, integrate activities, strategies, activity based teaching. You can integrate students involvement into your teaching, which makes the lesson more and more interesting for the students to learn. I really hope you all do try this out. The next one is a fun one, which is called as a quizzes. So it's an online assessment tool that can be used by teachers to make interesting quizzes to understand their students' learning while making the classroom more fun, interactive, and engaging. It has majorly multiple choice questions. So you can try this out in your class. Let's go on to the demo. So this is how your quizzes site looks like. So you go on to create a quiz, upload a document, and you can upload a document or the notes that you have prepared for your students from your laptop. It will take a few seconds. These are my questions. What does SWOG stand for? So the document that I uploaded was on SWOG. This is my first question. What is the purpose of a person's SWOG analysis? Which quadrant analyzes which quadrant of SWOG analysis involves identifying things that you stand out for? So all these questions are basically multiple choice questions. There might be limitations depending on whether it's a free version or it's a premium version. So this quiz you can also try live in the classroom with the students. When you answer, it is more interesting for the students to answer in the class also. So this is how you can make your quiz more interesting. You can make your teaching more interesting. I want you all to remember that there are many AI platforms that makes quizzes like Questionwell, Formative AI, Conquer, which you can try. Some are free, some have to be paid for more future features, and there are many other AI websites that will help you out with many other work. This is just a small demo of some of those websites which I feel are very comfortable, and you will also definitely like it. Now, next is the Khan Migo, which is not available right now in India, but it's a very good and a very cool application, AI application, which will help the teachers and students. This, though it is not available in India and only available in US at the moment, but still, whenever it comes to India, it would be very beneficial for everyone. So it's a virtual tutor for students and an AI assistant for the teachers. So it helps students to understand a concept with more depth without just giving them ready made answers, which builds on students' clarity and confidence in a topic. It helps teachers in planning for the lesson plan, and it mimics as a writing coach, provides the motivation that one needs to complete a work. The next one that we are going to see is another very interesting and a very cool app that children would definitely like to use it. So it's called the Hello History, and it's an AI powered chatbot app that enables students to engage in conversations with influential historical figures. It helps uniquely discover the past and see life, history, and world from a personal perspective. The app also helps users to learn about art, music, justice, literature, philosophy, science, technology, and more. Here is a small demo of the Hello History app and how it works. So if you see, you can see great leaders, pop culture, music, politicians, George Washington, Margaret Thatcher, John F. Kennedy, famous women, Mother Teresa, Marie Curie, Cleopatra, Coco Chanel, and some philosophers, Aristotle, Karl Marx, and also for fun, we have the caveman. Let's go and ask the caveman. So just for a demo, I asked him, how was the fire invented? And this was the response. Me, caveman, me tell you story of life. Long, long time ago, before shiny rocks. If you see, the language is also not not a very polished English. Just for fun, which children would like to learn history, in a fun way. Now we'll try something else. So we have people from civil rights. It's a long list of people. Science and innovation. We have religion also. So let's ask Buddha a question. So the answer that you receive is just as if you are talking to Buddha or you are chatting with Buddha. So the answer would be looks very personal. The story of my departure from the comforts of my kingdom is one that holds a great significance. You can feel that as if he is talking himself. So this was the demo for Hello History. You can all go and try, download the app from the Play Store, or you can download it from the site as well. You can go on Google and type Hello History, and you can download it from there. I think this is available for all kinds of phones, for Apple as well as Android phones. We saw some very cool AI sites which help us teachers to make our teaching interesting and make learning interesting for our children, for our students. So AI has the potential to transform education by making it more adaptive, inclusive, and efficient. AI enables personalized learning experience tailored to individual students' needs, improving understanding and retention. AI can enhance accessibility for students with diverse learning needs, providing adaptive tools and resources. AI can enhance accessibility for students with diverse needs, providing them adaptive tools and resources. And AI tools support innovative teaching methods, including virtual reality, gamification, and interactive simulations. But there can be certain challenges while integrating AI into education, like ethical concerns related to data privacy, unequal access to technology, and AI tools can exacerbate educational disparities among students from different socio-economic backgrounds. Excessive dependence on AI also may lead to a lack of, emphasis on interpersonal skills and human interaction in education. And also, AI in education requires significant investment in technology infrastructure. It needs training, it needs ongoing support, which may not be feasible for all institutions. So, balancing the benefit and challenges of AI in education requires careful planning, collaboration among all the stakeholders, and a commitment to ethical practices to harness the full potential of this technology. That's all for AI in education. Meet you in the next session.